Hi, I'm Chad Boyd and I own Overland Addict. We're a premium overland gear shop and vehicle outfitter. We focus on premium high quality brands. We sell rooftop tents, fridges, awnings, storage boxes, solar. Anything you really need to go out on an adventure and have a good time. We've got 3 install bays back here, so we can do anything from installing roof racks, rooftop tents, awnings, fridges. We could also facilitate the installs of suspension systems. Today we actually did a shore power install on a Jeep Gladiator for a REDARC Vision system. We love REDARC here because they have pretty much anything you need for your vehicle power management. Very simple setups from a single battery all the way up to a full-blown Vision system that can handle powering all of your devices, turning them on or off, showing, monitoring all that stuff, a screen that shows you the status on everything. REDARC is really top of the game in the industry. We're located in the Springfield, Missouri area, so give us a call, let us know what your needs are. We'd love to help you with your next adventure build.